debarking the tree. So the bugs have no place to live, no place to get started.
This is for the mill. He cut that in half. And we're gonna spread out the sand and lay those planks up there. Level it out. And this log here is for a stop, so the sand don't go downhill. Because it's a pretty steep angle right here. Dirty bugs in it.
Yep, already. I haven't been laying there that long either, have you?
Mm-mm. To show them. Well, while I was gone, he added 3 more logs, and they've been shoveling sand and dirt. They're putting the dirt under the logs so the sand don't wash out. Started unboxing. Then he put his pieces in, and after we read the directions, it needed to move over. Because the center of the mill is going where these marks are, right here and right here. So it's a little short. He's going to move that log over 3 inches. Nothing like doing it over, huh?
Practice shot.
You want some help? Chickens are so nosy. That's Dodger. She's missing a couple toes, but she survived.
That's pretty damn close right there, huh?
Did you measure that in?
Same finger in the sand.
Okay. Just asking. In the bubble.
Just a hair low now, huh?
Quarter inch.
So you can get rid of that. You ought to have a 1/4 inch adjustment, haven't you?
Alright. And pack it back in.
Well, I was just admiring the water tank on there. It's got Visual sight, nice brass valve, well welded, piece of aluminum, looks beautiful. If this is any sign of the quality of the saw, I'm impressed.